What is up, everybody? It's Campin' Randy here, RidgelineStore.com. Today's install is the TRAXDA RockSliders. Check it out. So on this build here, I've selected to get the raw metal shipped over to me. Shipped in box, wrapped up in bubble wrap, really good. I selected painting it myself because with all materials, it was like 35 bucks. Scuffed it up, primed it, sprayed it all over the place. I was really impressed on all computered CNC cutting on this and how it just went together. So been waiting a good while for these guys. I'm just gonna paint it with some textured outdoor furniture stuff because I like the finish on that. And then I was hanging them from the tree so that I can make sure I get all the spots. But yeah, just prep is everything. Wipe it down with alcohol after you scuff it up. Everything's good to go. You're gonna notice 3 of these embossed pieces on the bottom of your Ridgeline. And you're just gonna snip these out. I just snipped them and then wiggled them out. So I mean, if you want to use a Sawzall and all that, but they're embossed almost all the way through. So you just got to get them started, and they're pressed enough that they'll just wiggle out so that you don't, get it all jacked up. I cut the fronts a little open more, as you can see in that video, but this is the finished product of that. All right, this is what comes in the bolts kits. So you get 2 bolts, washers, nuts. It's just a package. You don't need the nuts. And I've opted out of the washers. I've upgraded the washers because when you put these in, they actually bend, the little ones, because they're too small. So I have some of these laying around. So I updated to these, upgraded to these guys. They're a little thicker. So I'm gonna let TRAXDA know so they can upgrade that little part. I didn't record installing the RockSliders due to I only had one hand available. So in this next clip, after I show the bent washers, you'll see it installed. So of course, you need some jack stands or something, but we got them on. My feedback is to take this tube and bring it all the way back here, even if the tube bends, or maybe do a connection back here somehow. But this is actually this is always where I hit. So that's, it is what it is. I appreciate it. It's awesome. So we got it all painted. Everything lines up perfectly. Yeah, it's just amazing. So I'm very excited and happy. So, but this is all protected for your doors. You can see your doors in there. So this is where I hit. Also, you can see that's bent. So, I mean, I've hit multiple places, even in the front. Up there. Where else? Here. This is crushed. So that will be protected from now on. But yeah, this is where I hit a lot, right there. So, I'm gonna need that tube extended. Back to here. Ooh, hello, Mr. Gas Tank skid plate. And sorry, we're spinning upside down. Carriage bearing skid plate, that's coming out next. Let's see, the only thing I didn't cover was just, you gotta cut out, places for this notch to fit in. So you gotta cut your plastic there, and there's actually a little template that you just cut. So I'm gonna tighten these in. They give you the bolts also, washers. So we'll tighten this up, aligns perfectly. So I'm pretty excited. And this video will only have the driver's side done because it's repetitive on the passenger side.
All clear.
For a minivan. This will be fun right here.
Oh, yep.
Ready? You can't just like get all comfortable. What do you think about that?
You're stuck on the ground.
Huh?
Okay.
Good?
I'm good.
She likes when we teeter-totter. That's her favorite. You like that? So All-Wheel Drive Fest was this weekend up in Uwharrie, and we drug the Ridgeline through everything. And as you can see, these RockSliders did their job. They protected the Ridgeline, and couldn't be more impressed. So we're working out something with TRAXDA to sell these on the RidgelineStore.com. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and as always, enjoy the adventures.